the walls of Babylon. Okay, so the king and the main army went to do the war on Elamites. They went east side. Okay, they thought that no one is going to attack because in the last 10 years, last 20 years, no one attacked. Then obviously, the same thing I'm expecting, like the king also thought nothing will happen. We are at very safe, or we are at everything is good. So that's why we are not required to worry. Like the king went, okay, to along with his main army to do the war on Elamites, east side. At the same time, suddenly Assyrians from north side attacked Babylon. Attacked Babylon. Very minimal soldiers are there. Very army, very minimal army is there. Okay, like, but their their forces are very high. Assyrites. Their okay. What happened? What happened is once they attacking, but these people, okay, the few members who were there, they stand on the Babylon walls and they are trying to attack. But the biggest security wall is, biggest thing is the wall of the Babylon. If the enemies want to enter, first they require to break that wall. First they require to break that doors. They are not in a position. The walls are very strong. That's why that day lakhs of people got survived. Their wealth, lakhs of people got survived. Okay, their food, their future, their wealth, everything saved by the walls of the Babylon. Yesterday we discussed that in detail, right? Okay, like so do you know? Because the problem is if Assyrians are going to win, they are going to loot like anything, man. They are going to loot all the wealth, food items, everything they will take. Next, all these people will become their slaves. Their future also by refer gone. That's why. So there is a person in there named Banjar. That Banjar, he knows first that war information because he's in the middle on the wall between the people and he's on the passageway. Okay, he's on the path. Okay, where the war is going on. I mean, the soldiers on the wall. Okay, like are the people's like one old merchant asked, am I safe? Am I safe? My old wife, okay, struggling like anything because of this war. Next, our food, our wealth, all these things may be looted. Please, can you please confirm they can't enter in Babylon, right? Can you please give the assurance like that? Then automatically what the Banjar told? Anyone can you please tell? Yes, friends. What is the Banjar told? Old Banjar told the walls of Babylon are very, very strong. The walls of Babylon are very, very strong. Very strong. Very strong. The walls will protect you and protect your wife and your wealth and food. Don't worry at all. Happily you can go there and then you can convey. You can convey to your wife also, old wife also, like Banjar told to this old person. Because this old merchant came almost with shivering. My kids went with the king for doing the war. I'm alone. My old wife is there. Next, my wealth. What about my food? All these things may be looted. Can you please? They can't get in, right? Banjar, can you please tell me? They can't get in, right? Like that merchant asked. And then, okay. So one pregnant lady with another baby in her hand, she came and she asked, "What about war? Is there any? We are safe, right?" Like with full of fear, that lady asked. Then automatically Banjar told because her husband is also a soldier. but with full of wounds. ST is taken the rest, he got the favor, he is on the bed. To protect, to save his wife, he want to come to war area. But anyway, just for inquiry's sake, this lady came. Then the Banjar told, update your husband. Nothing worry. The walls of Babylon are going to protect you. The walls of Babylon are going to protect you. You and your babies and your husband. You are not required to worry at all. Convey to your husband like Banjar told very confidently. Next, last, one small kid, small baby girl came. Baby girl came, okay, with full of crying. She's crying by seeing the scenario. And she asked Banjar, Grandpa, what about my situation? What about my small baby? Okay, my brother is there, my small brother is there, my small sister is there, my parents and myself. Am I safe or not? Like that lady, that small baby girl asked. Then Banjar told, be not afraid. Be not afraid, little one. Don't afraid, little one. The walls of Babylon will protect you and your mother and a little brother and a baby. You are not required to worry at all, like Banjar told. Observe that. 3 characters. Old person. Next, young wife, pregnant lady. Next, baby girl. So, if Assyrians are going to, they are going to enter into the Babylon, all these lives by default will become. That day, almost around 26 days, 3 weeks of 5 days, what happened? Not just 1 day or not just 1 hour. Like even Mahabharata war happened how many days? No idea.
18 days.
18 days.
18 days. Mahabharata war happened 18 days. But this war happened 26 days. 26 days. Do you know, can you please imagine what about the situation they're feeling? Their main army is not there. Their king is not there. The walls protected the lakhs of people. So the same way for our life also, protection walls must be required. These walls are life walls. These walls are financial walls we require. A small jerk should not disturb our future, should not disturb our life. A small jerk, a small life surprise should not disturb us. Compulsory, we should create strong walls for you and for your family.